Welcome back to my channel, Rodney's Jamaican Jerk. What I have for you today, how to clean your chicken properly. There's many ways of cleaning the chicken, but there's one specific way to clean a chicken, and I'll show you in this video. First, I'll show you can use lime juice if you don't have the lime, and you can also use distilled vinegar if you don't have lime. If you don't have the lime, here you can use lemon. It's no difference, it's just the same, just lemon and lime. So first thing what we're gonna do is just squeeze them lemon and that chicken. Squeeze it all out. You can rub it all over. You rub it all over so that that lemon juice can go all over in the meat. Get it all out. And you take these lemons, put aside. There's one other thing I need to show you while cleaning it. You take a knife, and if you can look closely here in the chicken, take this part out. You don't need this in there. You don't need to eat this part of see that? A lot of people, you don't really see that. So you gotta go in there and get it out there. Get them all out. Clean, see? That's blood right in there. So clean that chicken real good. See? Clean real good. See, there's another one in here. Yep. Another one in here. So you do the same thing for all of them. Once that backbone right in there, clean it all out real good. Put this thing aside. Turn the pipe on. Once you turn that pipe on with these gloves, take it off. It's over there. You don't have to use one anymore. Rinse that chicken. Notice what I'm doing. I'm not flashing the water, because if you flash the water, that water will be all over your kitchen. Then all what you're cleaning out the chicken will be all over in your kitchen. So you have to clean that chicken. Do like that. Give a second rinse. Turn that pipe off. Get that water out. Yeah, get that water out real good. And there you go. Chicken is clean, simple, easy. And remember what my mother told me, cleanliness is next to godliness. So just clean the chicken each time you're cooking. Just remember, it's not hard. Take a little time and you can clean it. If you like this video and the contents, subscribe. Look me down below. Let's comment. Make a comment. Let's talk about this video. Like it, comment, subscribe so you can get another video very soon. Take care of yourself. Be safe out there. I'll see you.